businesses are looking forward to bigger crowds and welcoming tougher penalties for unvaccinated customers who target hospitality staff.
Anyone that is spitting, coughing or sneezing or threatens to do so, they can be issued with an infringement notice.
From December 17, when the vaccine mandate takes effect, fines will range from $1,300 to more than $13,000 or 6 months behind bars.
Are you serious?
Police will be patrolling and conducting compliance checks.
Compliance for holidaymakers. Now, the latest figures show 79.1% of eligible Queenslanders are now fully vaccinated.
Oh my God!